half an hour. So yeah, I've just been up to Tara's. And I went swimming today, so I have to have a bath, and I'm really tired, and I really can't be bothered. So, yeah. I don't know what to do. Jades can never go away if I didn't do a video, so I'm like, get a video for at least a minute long, so it can't be 45 seconds long. Hey guys, I've just had my bath. My hair's soaking. What time did I say it was before? It took me half an hour to have a quick bath. I've got my back to me. Jade should be home soon, so hopefully you'll see a clip of her instead of me, because you're thinking, oh my god, I don't want to see her anymore. I'm only joking. You're probably thinking that. Why would you type a name into the search bar or subscribe below? If you had enough of her, I don't know. Anyway, I don't know what else to say, really. Had a bath and I still got the water in for Jade, and I look terrible because I had to take my makeup off. Oh my god, it took me like a 5 attempts with my funnel to take off my mascara, because I put that many coats of mascara on. I put like 1 coat on this morning, and I put like 2 coats on after school, and I put 3 coats on before I went to Tara's, and then I put like so yeah, I've had a dreadful day. Anyway. Yeah, so that adds up to 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 coats of mascara.
Hope you had a good day. My topic first then. Hope you've had a good day today. I've just got back from my rehearsal, had my bath, done my hair and stuff. Now I'm just getting ready for bed. Day 3. Check. Oh, I nearly fell over on stage. There's this person that's supposed to be in front of me, right? And he was too far back, and I tripped over his legs. And I was being examined today. So, I'm nervous. Alesha's done recording, I've seen. She did 3 minutes worth, so fun. Hopefully tomorrow's performance will be better, because my mum and dad are going to watch tomorrow. So remember to hit the like button and the subscribe button. See you all tomorrow.